everybody. I hope everyone is having a good day and a good week so far, and welcome to my channel. I have no words right now. This actually came in the mail for me today. I just got home from work because I'm only working half a days for right now. Just got home from work. The package was waiting. My boyfriend put it on my bed. I'm at my parents' house and thought, oh, thanks. No, he said he didn't buy me anything. And my parents did it, and his parents did it. I was trying to think, okay, who would have bought this because I haven't been shopping in a while. I am just, I just don't have any words right now. This is from Macy's, um, and it's real. It's a real thing. It's Macy's. I have no words. Um, I've been hyperventilating for at least an hour now. That I still can't believe it. I got this. And I'm like, oh, my boyfriend got me this. No, he didn't. He just laying there on the bed. And he's like, did you order something? I'm like, no, I didn't order anything. And he didn't order anything. And my parents or his parents, I'm like, okay. I opened it up. And this is what I got. A beautiful, brand new Michael Kors from Macy's. This is legit. The bill's in there. This is from my BFF, my best friend, okay? She knew that I haven't been going shopping lately the last 2 months because we've been, quarantined here in Ohio. Because, everything was closed. The mall, everything. And I haven't been able to go shopping. And I am just in so much shock right now. Then I got this beautiful Michael Kors bag. I am just flabbergasted because nobody has ever bought me anything this nice before. And I'm not used to people buying me things. My boyfriend buy me things and his parents do, but not like this. I am just blown away that she did this for me because she works hard for her money as well, and she has a really good job, and stuff. And I'm just blown away, and I love the color. The color is just goes with everything, and I'm definitely going to be wearing it this weekend when me and my boyfriend goes out. It's a Michael Kors. Like I said, it's legit. It is from Macy's. And I got her card right there. And this made me feel a lot better because I'll probably be going shopping this weekend, hopefully. Because I get paid, I think this week or next week, I think, from work. And of course, I got the Michael Kors logo. And I got the dust bag, and I have a thing of I can put it around. It's a crossbody, so I can actually put this around me. This is the box that it came in, and it's just beautiful. And I'm just flabbergasted that I got a Michael Kors purse today. She didn't tell me anything about it when I called her last week. I think she ordered it, and she didn't tell me anything about it. She's sneaky like that sometimes. And the 30 plus years that I have known her, this is the best thing she's ever bought me. And she's bought me a lot of nice things over the years, like clothes and, stuff like that for Christmas and for my birthdays. And I am just overwhelmed right now, and just, I am just in shock. Then I got this Michael Kors purse today, and I'm like, oh, my boyfriend who bought me this, or my parents. I'm like, I was like, who the heck would buy me a new purse? And I'm like, no way. She bought me this Michael Kors because I was going to go over at TJ Maxx. I have a TJ Maxx down the street, and I was going to get one when they reopened, and she bought me one off of Macy's. And I was actually looking at this purse too a while back. It's just beautiful. This is the way it was packaged, and then it came in a real big box. Everything was packaged real beautiful. It has a lot of metal on it. This is the back. It's white. It's perfect for summer and spring. Like I said, it has feet on the bottom. Just a beautiful purse, guys. I am just, like I said, it's Macy's, it's real. So yeah, this is my Michael Kors unboxing from a friend. I am just in shock that she bought me this. Oh my god. If you guys like my videos, please like, sub, and comment. Thanks for watching. And remember, be original. I have no words. I am in shock. I am in awe. I am just so super grateful that she bought me this. And this will be very much loved and used.